What's up, YouTube? Well, let's talk about what's going to happen with this channel going forward in 2020. Now, also, I bet you guys have noticed that I haven't been uploading any videos, and that's because I went back to the United States for maybe 2 weeks, and then I went back and I was in Vietnam for, I want to say I was in Vietnam for almost 2 weeks because I was waiting for my elite visa to be approved in Thailand, so now I can stay in Thailand without having to worry about leaving the country and all that stuff. Like, when you're traveling around the world, it's really difficult because you just get a lot of visa issues, and that's what was basically holding me up from producing videos and content for this channel. But let's talk about future videos and what I'm going to be doing pretty soon, and also any inputs or any advice would be, really helpful. I do have a lot of videos that I have scheduled. One I have with another YouTuber, I'm not going to say who, but we're going to make an affiliate marketing WordPress tutorial, which is going to be really helpful for people who want to get into affiliate marketing. And we're going to show like step by step on exactly what you need to do from getting your domain all the way to making your first sale. And the guy actually has a very good documentation of it. So we're going to work together on that a little bit, I want to say next month. I'm also looking towards other videos like a multi-vendor tutorial I'm in the process of making, and so on and so forth. I just finished a web hosting video with cloud hosting, so if you guys want to check that out. I will be having a new one also for dedicated hosting as well. Now, also in this channel, I'm going to start producing more content that is more tutorial based as well, not just reviews. I want to go back to my roots because I think I'm well known for my tutorials and not really my reviews, but my reviews are always helpful, but I think that my tutorials are just so concrete and so detailed that when people tell me that, hey, this tutorial wasn't good, I'm looking at them like, nah, man, it's because of you. It's like, you know what I mean? I really structure these videos, to make sure that you guys fully understand everything. Also, what I have plans, and this is in the mix right now, is taking some of my videos, like the Divi videos and the Elementor videos, and actually hiring a transcriber and putting them in that native language. Now, if I do this, the languages that I've chosen is going to be Spanish, Portuguese, Hindi, and Arabic. Now, I know there's a lot of other languages out there like German and Bengali, but the issue is that those languages just kind of dominate the markets. So I have to kind of accommodate people who want to build websites in that native language. If you think that's a good idea, let me know. I'm still in the process of seeing if that can work or not and messing around with it and just, tinkering around with it and stuff like that. Also, if you guys didn't hear, Divi introduced this really cool floating elements and fixed headers feature where now basically you can have a fixed feature or fixed element on virtually any page. Now, when I say fixed header, you can make anything fixed now, which is pretty incredible. So if you haven't seen that update, be sure to check it out. That's really cool. Also, if you guys haven't got tickets yet for WordPress Camp or WordCamp Asia, I will be attending WordCamp Asia in February 21st through the 23rd because it is in Bangkok, and that's actually where I'm staying right now. So you will see me there if you want to show up. You will see me attending there. Now, they don't have tickets right now, but they will be introducing tickets again. Let me see here. They will be introducing tickets, a batch of 100 tickets. And these tickets sell out extremely fast. So the minute they come out, you might want to purchase them. I think they come out on the 30th and the 31st. Yeah, right here. I'm sorry. The 22nd and the 30th. So today is... Oh, shit. Okay, so it looks like they're just introducing them on the 30th. So they've already sold out on the 22nd. So if you want to go to WordCamp Asia, which is in Bangkok, this is where you want to buy them. So again, make sure, so the time frame UTC7, so make sure it's that time frame on, around, for 22 is actually what, 10 o'clock, so something like that. But you want to make sure you refresh and spam because these things sell out incredibly fast. So good luck. If you want to go, you'll see me there. Matt Mullenweg's there, and I'm going to ask him some questions, and I'm going to ask him some future questions, and I'm also going to answer some questions to kind of put on the heat a little bit because, that's what I do, But I will be there, and I will be asking questions. I will be asking questions, but I will not be speaking. So, you know, I don't like speaking at these events personally because these people are people who don't have an audience and where they want to kind of grow up and they want to develop and they want to, start their channel, etc., or start their channel, but just start their business and get their name out there. And I don't want to be selfish and kind of, speak again there because I already have a channel where I get tons of views anyways. So I'm kind of like, I just don't think I would want to speak there just because I'd want to give that spot to someone else who really wants the recognition and really wants to speak there. Plus, these people are probably a little bit more helpful than me. So, Yost, you'll also be speaking. That's interesting. I didn't know he's going to be speaking there. And, of course, all these people right here will be speaking. So, they actually have a little, like a card, and it tells you who's speaking and everything. So, just be sure to check it out if you want to go. But again, if you want to see future tutorials or if you have an idea of something, I have at least I want to say 70 tutorials written down that I'm going to be producing. But again, the things that have been holding me back is things like taxes, because now that I'm in Thailand, I don't want to pay taxes in California no more because California has the highest taxes, I want to say, in the world, because they take around 50% of your income if you're making more than 150 grand. So it's yikes, and then I just don't want to be in that bracket anymore. I'd rather pay taxes somewhere else. And anyone from the United States knows that it is the most expensive place to live. I mean, my apartment in California when I was living there was around $2,500. Now, that's actually cheap if you're not in places like Beverly Hills or if you're in San Francisco. And what's funny about San Francisco is that a lot of people go to San Francisco and they think that it's some beautiful, elegant place. And I just met with some developers in Vietnam from Bicating, and they were surprised. And I says, guys, I hate to say it to you, but San Francisco is the dirtiest place in California, period. I mean, it is a nightmare. I don't even know why Elegant Themes and all those tech software companies go there, because it is disgusting and it's extremely, extremely expensive. If you want an apartment, a good apartment in San Francisco, you're going to pay around $4,000 to $5,000 a month in rent, and I don't think there's any place in the world that charges more rent than those places. That is that disgusting. So if you've never been to San Francisco, and if you're from San Francisco, I don't mean to offend you. I'm just trying to keep it real, here on the channel, because people ask me, oh, how is San Francisco, Daryl? And I'm saying, you don't want to go there. You don't want to go to San Francisco. Los Angeles, it's kind of it has its good areas and its bad areas, etc. But so future videos. Affiliate marketing tutorial, multi-vendor tutorial. I will be making some more WooCommerce videos as well. I will be making a Brizzy video soon. I will be making an Elementor Pro tutorial very soon with the theme builder, because people have been asking me about the theme builder with Elementor, because I made a video on it for Divi right here. And I will be making some other Divi videos, but you can see right here, it's kind of hard to make more Divi videos, but I've basically exhausted that market. So I want to kind of venture off into different things. Maybe I'll do more, Brizzy updates or something like that. But if you have any questions or something that you want to know, or if there's a tutorial that you want to see, feel free to let me know in the comments below, and then like it so I can kind of see it rise up that everyone wants that. All right. But again, I hope you guys are having a great 2020. I hope you guys make a lot of money. I have a lot of big projects for this channel. And again, I've only been held up because of things like taxes, getting my visa stuff ordered, my moving conditions, my living conditions, where I'm going to live. So that's why I haven't uploaded anything in 2 to 3 weeks, because it's hard, and I even reached out and I was hiring this Thai girl to tell me to edit my videos, and it's hard to kind of get them to know what I want. When I want to edit videos, it's we have to have chemistry together, and if there's no chemistry, they don't know what I want, and then the video isn't really any good. So yeah, I will be trying to find an assistant or something like that to help me, because I'm just overwhelmed at that point. I have to edit my videos, I have to research, I have to manage my blog, I have to run my Facebook community group, I have to make content, I have to answer questions and comments. And for those of you who think that I actually disabled my contact form, I'm sorry. And everyone's like, it's broken, Daryl. I'm like, guys, I was just flooded with just 50 emails a day with questions, and I'm like, guys, I can't do this anymore, I mean, my channel's grown so big, I'm going to find a way to find someone that can help answer questions and everything, because I know it's very frustrating when you make a website for your first time and then you get these like random errors or something doesn't work and you're like, this tutorial sucks, Daryl. And I'm like, it's not me. It's just sometimes in WordPress, just weird stuff happens, and it's just, that's how it is, you know. But again, guys, I hope everything's going well with you. Let me know about what your future plans are for 2020, and let me know how your business is going. And other than that, I will see you guys in the next video.